So today was Black Friday for me, and as you can see, I got some electronics. And today I'm going to unbox them. So starting off, let's start with the totally least boring item that I got today. The manual. A little remote, AC adapter, and here is a little AAA battery for the remote. And here is the Blu-ray player itself. Next up, I'm gonna unbox my new watch. This was on sale for $130 at Target, so why not get it? So there's the watch itself, some instructions, and the charging cable. And the most satisfying part of the whole unboxing. Pretty nice watch. Has a stainless steel back to it, unlike my last one, which was plastic. And it actually fits me pretty well. And finally, we have this G613 Logitech keyboard. Ooh, and the keyboard itself. So look at the accessory. So there's a phone dock inside this. The reason that they have this is because it supports Bluetooth, so pair this up with the smartphone, I guess. Also in here are the extension cable, I'm probably never gonna use, and that's it in this box. Now for the main event. The keyboard itself. These are Roman G tactile shoes. And here's a little sound test for you. And it even comes with clicky keys for the media controls. And with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And maybe I'll do a keyboard review of this keyboard. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.